everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable lockdown mode on iPhone for maximum security and privacy protection. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Keep scrolling until you find the option called Lockdown Mode. Tap on it to continue. Here, you'll see information about how lockdown mode protects your iPhone from advanced threats, suspicious links, and targeted cyber attacks. When you're ready, tap Turn on lockdown mode. Next, tap Turn on and Restart. Your iPhone will restart automatically to apply the security changes. Once your device turns back on, lockdown mode will be enabled. This feature limits certain apps, attachments, web technologies, and unknown connections to improve your iPhone's security. It's especially useful for people who want extra privacy or stronger protection against hacking attempts. And that's it. You've successfully enabled lockdown mode on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone privacy tips, security settings, and iOS tutorials.